Okay, children. So next, in this mean last method, step deviation method. So this is listen carefully. See in the public examination, they will give only step deviation method. Most of the problems in this only. So very carefully see here. Same problem I am explaining for this method also. At class and 12, number of students means frequency, then same bit values and deviations. Then after extra in this method, just u value we should find out. See here, like bit values, nothing but class marks. What we should take? X. Already we find out this. How to find out mid values? By average of these two. 35 by 2 means 17.5. Next to 32.5, 47.5, 62.5, 77.5, 92.5. So now generally the biggest frequency is 7. The straight mid value take as A. Then after D, you find out deviations. D is nothing but deviations. So how you will get to D? X minus A. Right. X value is from this 47.5 we have to subtract. So minus 30 we will get 32.5 minus 47.5, sorry here minus 15, 17 no, right. Minus 30, minus 15, then here 0, then here 15, 77.5 minus 47, 30, 92.5 minus 47.5, next 45, next we are finding u, x minus a by h. This h we can take as c because we are using in the formula c. Right. So how we will get 1? I will write here c x minus a. This is minus 30 by c. C is nothing but class size. The difference between these two are these two. 40 minus 25, how we get? How much? 20. Or 25 minus 10. How much we will get? 10. Then, sorry, 25 minus 10, 15. 40 minus 25, 15 we will get. In the both conditions, we will get the same. So, C class size is nothing but the difference of these two or the difference of these two. Or you can find out any value also, you will get same. Okay? So, 25 minus 10, 15, 40 minus 25, 15. This is the class interval. So 15 here. That 15 ones are, 15 twos are minus 2. Right. Then here minus 15 by, again see how much 15. 15 cancel, minus 1. Then 0. Then 15 by 15, 1. 30 by 15, 2. 45 by 15, 3. See children, here instead of finding like this, directly we can write these answers. How? Exactly the 0 means the A value, assumed value, this the straight value you have to take 0, then up values take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, down you take 1, 2, 3, 4. If you find out like also, you will get the same answers. So instead of that finding, just you write the assumed values, the straight of the assumed value take 0, then upside -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3 down you should take. Then this is u. Then in our formula, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fu by n into sig. Here fu we are getting. So that's why fu you find out. It means u values multiply with f. So 2 into -2 -4, 3 into -1 -3, 7 into 0 0, 6 into 1 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Then after find out sigma fu. Then first add positive values. Yeah, 6 how much? 18 plus 2 20, 30, 36. Then minus values. -7. Right, 36 minus 7. How much we will get? So here -7 means 29. This is 29. Right. So this is 36. So you no need to write this, but I am explaining to get easy. Then after take formula. Already n value we know 30. Then mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fu by n into c. A value 47.5 plus sigma fu 29 by 30 into c value 15. So 15 ones are 15 twos are. Right, so 47.5 plus 29 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 14s are 28.5. So that x bar is equal to 47.5 plus 14.5, nothing but 62. So mean x bar is equal to 62. This is the children. Then how to find out? By using step derivation method. So these are very important to find out the problems which are given in the examination and which are given in the exercise by using direct and assumed mean method, step deviation method. So in this the process is very important. The calculations are very important, children, and the table also very important. See here. So just one I am explaining. So don't get any confused. See. So when we are finding direct method, class interval, frequency, mid values. Up to here, direct method. For these mid values, if you add deviations and FD, you will get assumed mean method table. Then for this D, if you add U and FU, you will get the step deviation method table. So these 3 tables you have to keep in your mind, and according to the given question, which method they are asking in the question, so you have to follow that method. Or if without they are asking any method, if they will ask simply find the mean of data, then just you go through the step deviation method only. That is children. So next problems we will discuss in the next class.